All right, so tomorrow morning at about 8 to 9 a.m., a delivery truck is coming to deliver my project car that I got from Copart. The only problem that I can think of is just how do I get it to the house because it's going to be really hard for the delivery truck to get to like our driveway, and then our driveway is like over half a mile long. The car doesn't, I don't think it is going to drive very well when I get it. It says it runs and drives, but in the pictures, the front wheel is a little bit kind of tilted. It's not supposed to be that way, so I think some like control arm is broken. But we'll see when it gets here, and I'm really excited, and I can't wait for tomorrow. Yay! Sounds fine.